In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove Yahoo from your Google Chrome browser and how to set Google as the default search engine. So you can see at the moment that if I search anything in the URL bar up here, it takes me directly over to the Yahoo search engine. So I'm going to show you how we can change this with Google and how to get rid of the Yahoo completely. So what you're going to need to do is head over to these three vertical dots in the top right hand side, scroll all the way down and click on settings. And from the left hand side, you need to select on startup. Now, first thing we're going to do is select open a specific page or set of pages. Make sure this option is checked. And then if you already have a website here, we're just going to click on the three vertical dots and click remove. Then just click on it again like so and select add a new page. And now from here, we're going to type in www.google.com and then press add. Now that's the first step in getting rid of Yahoo and changing it over to Google. The second step is to come over to search engine from the left hand side. You can see at the moment my default search is Yahoo, so we're going to change that by clicking this button here, and you want to make sure it's set to Google and then click on set as default. And then finally select manage search engines and site search. Scroll down to this search engines part over here, and once again make sure you have Google set to your default application. So you can see at the moment this bar here is grayed out. That's because I already have it as my default. If you don't already have Google set, you can just click on the three bars and click on make default. And once you've done that, you'll just need to restart your browser, and you can see now that as soon as it loads up, it opens up Google straight away. And then if I search anything in this URL section, it takes me over to the Google search engine. So it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.